In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track goals, Okrs, and KPIs in Clickup. Start by going to the Overview area in your Clickup workspace. This is the central place where you can view high-level performance and reporting. From the Overview section, locate and select OKR Planning. This is where your objectives, key results, and the work that supports them are organized, so it is a good starting point for both planning and tracking. Next, click into Planning Activities. This area typically contains the tasks and initiatives that roll up into your goals, so it helps connect day-to-day execution with your OKRs and KPIs. Once you are in Planning Activities, switch the view to Board. The Board view is helpful because it lets you scan progress by status at a glance and move items through stages in a clear, visual way. Now return to OKR Planning from within this space. This keeps you in the OKR structure while still staying close to the work that drives results. From here, select the time period labeled CY 2026. Choosing the correct time frame is important because Clickup will filter what you see based on the planning cycle, so your objectives and results match the year you are reporting on. After selecting the year, click into Objectives. This view focuses on the actual objectives you are tracking, and it is where you will spend time reviewing how your outcomes are progressing. Once you are in Objectives, open the Progress Board. You may see Progress Board listed again, and selecting it will bring you into the full board view dedicated to tracking progress across objectives and their supporting results. From the Progress Board, choose this quarter to focus on the current reporting period. This is useful for weekly check-ins and for monitoring KPIs that need consistent attention. Then click Next Quarter to shift your view forward. This helps with planning, forecasting, and making sure upcoming priorities are visible early, instead of being rushed at the last minute. Finally, click Timeline. The timeline view is ideal for understanding dates, dependencies, and how work lines up across the quarter. It gives you a clear picture of pacing, so you can spot schedule conflicts or gaps in coverage and keep your goals on track. That covers everything you need to know.